So real talk, I've tried a bunch of landing pages over the years. Some were clunky, some were super limited, and a few just felt like they were priced for big agencies, not solo creators like me. Then I found Landingi. It's a no-code platform made for people like us, marketers, creators, anyone who just want to launch something fast without messing with code or hiring someone. I use it to launch a digital product page in literally a day. Pick a template, drag in my headline, added a lead form, connected it to my email list, and even set up some A/B testing to see what version converts best. All inside Landingi. No switching tabs, no extra tools. And what actually made me stick with it though? Their pop-up builder is sleek, and the analytics are super clear. I could see who's clicking what, where leads are dropping off, and tweak things on the fly. If you're trying to launch a product and don't want to deal with website builders or dev headaches, try Landingi. It's free to test, and I dropped the link in the description for you to get started. No website, no problem. Landingi's got you covered.